Hello and welcome to this tutorial on installing and using Moutain Scapes. After downloading the zip file, unzip it. Once finished, you can delete the zip file. In the folder, you'll find a .blend file and two text files. Now open Blender, go to Edit, Preferences, and click on File Paths, and click on Plus. Find the path to the .blend file we unzipped. Click on Add Asset Library. A new line is added. Don't forget to click on Save Preferences. Close the window and open a new tab in Blender. Asset Browser. In the drop-down menu, click on Moutain Scapes. The mountains appear. You have access to the entire catalog, divided into several categories: classic versions and HD models. To import a model, simply click and drag into your scene. Switch to Material Preview mode for a preview of the textures. It's really easy to add. Let's take this mountain as an example. As you can see, the model is not very detailed. Let's go to the shader editor and disable displacement for the moment. Let's add a diffuse to see the quality of the model. There's very little detail. Now, let's add displacement. You can see that the model is now very detailed. You can adjust the strength of the displacement in scale. Let's add the diffuse texture. Here's the final model. With displacement? Without displacement. This option is only available for classic models. HD models don't need micro displacement. They already have a lot of detail in the mesh. Here's the result in rendering mode. The level of definition is really very good. Thanks for following this tutorial and happy blending. Enjoy!